Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 6. A certain type of bacteria triples in number every 20 minutes. At the end of 5 hours, there are X bacteria in the colony. In how many hours more will there be 27 X? So we can see the time, if the time is 1 hour, it's 60 minutes. So every 20 minutes, if we call, since they ask for how many hours more, so we start at whatever we have. So the 5 hours before, we don't count on it, but we know that we start from X bacteria. So that every 20 minutes, we multiply by the factor of 3 because they triple in every 20 minutes. So the next 20 minutes, they triple again. And for 1 hour, they triple 3 times. Or it means it's the same thing at every 1 hour, they go to the factor of 3 cube. And in here, we have 27x. 27x equal to 3 to the power of tx. T is time. How many times they triple? So now X is not changed. The only care is we want is to know is T. So 27 equal 3t, t equal 3. T equal 3 is mean the bacteria will triple 3 times to get 27x. So it's the same thing as they will need 1 more hours. So A should be the right answer. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.